Looking for an easy way to collect customer information, automate workflows, and manage business data? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Fillout for businesses. We'll explore how to create professional forms, collect responses, and integrate your data with other tools. First, sign in to your Fillout account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and open your dashboard to get started. Next, decide what type of form your business needs. You can create contact forms, customer feedback surveys, registration forms, appointment requests, order forms, lead generation forms, or employee questionnaires depending on your goals. Now customize your form by adding your company name, logo, colors, and the fields you want customers or employees to complete. Mark important questions as required and organize the form so it's simple and easy to follow. After that, connect Fillout with the tools your business already uses. Depending on the available integrations and your subscription plan, you may be able to sync responses with Google Sheets, Airtable, CRMs, email platforms, or automation services. Once your form is ready, publish it and share it with customers, employees, or clients using a direct link, QR code, email, or by embedding it on your website. Then monitor incoming responses from your Fillout dashboard. Finally, review your submissions regularly and update your forms whenever your business needs change. Improving your forms over time can help increase completion rates, collect more accurate information, and create a better experience for everyone. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Fillout for business. Now you can build professional forms, automate your workflow, and manage your information much more efficiently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.